Hello to all of our friends in India. My name is Patrick. I'm leading the media relations team at Siemens Digital Industries. So I guess industry is facing 2 to 3 major topics, right? So the first is cost pressure, right? So how are we going to produce our goods in a way that we stay competitive? Number 2, sustainability. So how are we going to produce in the future in a way that we are keeping our planet healthy? And number 3 is how are we going to produce with less and less people actually being able to work in a factory? So, and the big lever how to solve all these 3 issues is industrial AI, because it enables us to work much faster, much quicker, much more efficient, and much more sustainable. So if you're wondering how are you bringing your digital manufacturing to the next level, there's one place to be, and it's Hannover Messe in April. So please join us at our booth. Siemens is going to lead the way into the industrial AI era.